In today's video, we're going to talk about how to create a widget with your QR code. As a reminder, this video is going to be just specific to iPhone. The nice thing about having your QR code listed as a widget is you could be in the middle of a conversation with someone, swipe left on your phone, and show them your QR code right then and there. Now, as you move forward, you will need to have a QR code ready as an image to add as a widget. I'm going to be using this BBSI QR code that was generated by Liiingo, but if you're in need of a QR code, I'll post links for that in the description below. Another thing you'll need to get started is an app called Widgetsmith. I'll include a link for that in the description below. You'll want to go on your phone and open Widgetsmith. Then you're going to scroll down and look for the large widget. Then tap on Photo and choose from Photos, and then find that QR code I told you you'd need at the beginning of this. From there, you're going to tap on the word Settings at the top of the screen. Then you can rename your widget name so you can easily find it. And then include the launch URL, that's going to be the link to wherever that QR code goes. Then hit your back button and then save in the top right corner. Then you're done with Widgetsmith and you can go ahead and close it out. Now I'm going to swipe left on my screen and you'll notice the edit button at the top of the screen. You're going to want to tap that and then you're going to do a search for Widgetsmith. Once that opens, you're going to want to swipe over until you see large widgets and then tap that button. Now you'll see here, I have an existing widget, it's remembering. So what I'm gonna do is you're then gonna tap on that widget. Yours may be a blank photo or something different. When it opens, tap on whatever name the widget is called. In this case, it's called Barlow Customs, but yours will be called something different. Now here it's asking which widget you want displayed here, so just choose the widget you named in the previous step. And there you have it. You can now tap done and you now have a large QR code widget on whatever screen you placed it on.